Welcome dear students. Today we will talk about science of class 10th, and now we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 6, which is a life process. So dear student, let's begin this chapter from the meaning of what is the life process. So the process, let's define this life process. Okay, so the process that are necessary for an organism to stay alive. The process that are necessary for an organism to stay alive are called as life process. What are the example of these process? So example, nutrition, respiration, excretion, reproduction, etc. So these are the some process which are necessary to stay alive an organism. And dear students, see what are the criteria of life, means what are the characters should be seen in a living organism. There is a difference between living organism and non-living organism, and these are the two main criteria. Is one is growth, living thing has growth, and second, living thing has movement. Means whenever you will see a living thing, there must be any one of the thing you can see. Okay, whether the living thing will grow or whether the living thing will move. Okay, or they can grow and move also. Okay, these two things are not found in non-living thing. Okay, so any living thing will have these two things. Okay. So now let's begin the first topic. First topic is nutrition, first process, and after it we will discuss about respiration and then another process, another life processes. So the first very basic life process is nutrition. So let's talk about the nutrition. What is this nutrition and how this nutrition is helpful for us, and what are the basic facts related to it. So define करते हैं न्यूट्रिशन को, the process in which an organism takes in food and utilize it to get energy, and growth and repair and maintenance, and excrete the waste from the body. Means nutrition is the process by which any organism take in the food and its utilization for energy and other things like repair, maintenance and etc., and whatever the waste material is there inside the body and removal of that waste material. This whole process is known as nutrition. And see, this nutrition is of two types. One is autotrophic nutrition and another one is heterotrophic nutrition. So these are the two modes of nutrition, types of nutrition, or you can say modes of nutrition. So these are the two modes of nutrition. One is autotrophic. So let's see what is this autotrophic, and then after we will move to the what is this heterotrophic. So let's see autotrophic nutrition. See dear student, this autotrophic nutrition is a nutrition in, see this auto means self and tropic means nourishment. Means whenever you are getting nutrition by self, then such type of nutrition is known as autotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition means self nutrition. So the organisms, the living things which make their own food, prepare their own food from the raw materials, and such organisms are known as autotrophic, and the mode of such type of mode of nutrition is known as autotrophic nutrition. And this happens in green plant and some cyanobacteria, you can say blue green algae. So this happens whenever you are having green plant, and the process by which these green plant make their food is known as photosynthesis. Okay, so green plant shows autotrophic nutrition, and many other bacteria and cyanobacteria shows this type of nutrition. Okay, cyanobacteria shows this type of nutrition, and they have green color, green pigment, which is chlorophyll, and which is necessary for this photosynthesis. So the process name is photosynthesis. By the process of photosynthesis, they make their own food by using some raw material. And let's see this autotrophic nutrition and photosynthesis, we need to discuss it in detail. Okay, so this photosynthesis means photo means photosynthesis. Okay, so photo means light and synthesis means two combined. So light की प्रेजेंस से कंबाइंड करके कुछ बनाना. बेसिकली इस फोटोसिंथेसिस में ग्रीन प्लांट कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर को एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं एंड दे विल मेक देयर फूड. सो सी द इक्वेशन ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस, CO2 plus H2O, this will give us C6H12O6 and plus O2. Okay, so see, carbon dioxide is a raw material here, water is a raw material here, and this is the glucose, which is a food here. So here sunlight is necessary for the photosynthesis, and chlorophyll is necessary, the green substance by which the green plants are green. The substance, because of that substance the green plants have color green, and this substance has a pigment of magnesium metal, for that it is green. Okay, so the chlorophyll is necessary for this. So in this process, green plant uses carbon dioxide and water and make their food. And in what are the gases in exchange? तो गैसेस देखिए, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इन होती है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड यूज होती है, एंड ऑक्सीजन गैस जो है रिलीज होती है. होप यू आर अंडरस्टूड अबाउट दिस autotrophic nutrition and how this autotrophic nutrition happens in green plant and blue green algae. So by this photosynthesis they make their own food. Okay, so now we are moving to the another type of nutrition, which is heterotrophic nutrition. Hetero means, heteros का meaning होता है other, and trops means nourishment. So the organisms which get their food from the other organisms, are such organisms are known as heterotrophs, and their mode of nutrition is known as heterotrophic nutrition. Okay, now we are moving to the types of heterotrophic nutrition. See here, the heterotrophic nutrition is one is saprophytic nutrition. So there are many organisms which obtain their nutrition food from the dead decay matter, like fungus and bacteria. Have you ever seen the fungus is growing, fungus, mold? If you will put the bread for some time, what it will happen? There is mold, some kind of fungi will grow on that bread. So such type of, you have seen the mushroom is another kind of saprophytic organism. Okay, so saprophytic nutrition is that when the organisms are getting the mode of nutrition in which the organism will get the food from the dead decay matter. तो ऐसी चीज़ें जो डेड डिके हो गई हैं उनसे जो अपना न्यूट्रिशन गेन करेगा, दैट इज़ द सैप्रोफाइटिक न्यूट्रिशन. ओके, सेकेंड है पैरासाइटिक न्यूट्रिशन. पैरासाइटिक न्यूट्रिशन, द ऑर्गेनिज्म विच डिपेंड ऑन अदर, टोटली डिपेंड ऑन अदर फॉर देयर फूड, and here one organism is parasite and another one is host. So here parasite get benefited and host will get loss. Means suppose example leech, whenever any animal is stuck by leech, then leech get benefited and the animal will get hurt. एनिमल को नुकसान होता है, होस्ट को नुकसान होता है और पैरासाइट को फ़ायदा होता है. ओके, सो इन दिस केस, but in symbiotic relationship, two organisms are living together for their sharing their nutrition. sharing their nutrition for their mutual benefit. Like example, we can say rhizobium and green plant. Rhizobium is found in the leguminous plant, nodes of the roots of the leguminous plant. जितनी भी pulses होती हैं, these pulses are leguminous plant, and in plants की roots में होता है rhizobium bacteria, and this rhizobium bacteria and this green plant both are get benefited. The green plant give the nutrition to the rhizobium, and rhizobium will get fertilized, make the soil more fertile by using nitrogen fixation. So this rhizobium do the work for the nitrogen fixation, and it make the soil fertile. So both the organism will mutually help each other. So in the symbiotic relationship, two organisms are living for their mutual benefit. They are sharing their nutrition for their mutual benefit. But in this case, the organism, one is parasite and another one is host. Parasite get profited and the benefited, and the host will get loss. Okay, another type of nutrition is holozoic nutrition. The mode of nutrition in which the organism intake whole food, entire food at a time, and such type of nutrition is known as holozoic nutrition. Like amoeba, animals. So in animals, in human beings, the nutrition is holozoic nutrition. Whatever the things which we have to eat, we will just take in. Okay, so such type of nutrition is known as holozoic nutrition. Hope you are very understood about these topics. Okay dear student, thanks for watching this video.